In this aid, we will voice our sort of own and market's perspective on AMP future while talking about AMP cost estimate for 2023 and then some, which fundamentally is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally believe this and any really other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything for the most part is an unpleasant undertaking, explicitly not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like AMP in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, we should head into it in an unobtrusive manner, before we dive sort of profound into the AMP value expectation and answer questions in the event that AMP especially is a kind of wise speculation or not. For what reason will AMP for the most part succeed or in every practical sense fall flat, or for what reason will AMP value rise or drop? We should rapidly generally toss a look at what basically is AMP and its to-date history in a kind of significant manner. What in every practical sense is AMP crypto in an exceptionally significant way? AMP is a type of cryptographic money that goes about as security, which especially is genuinely huge. The cryptographic money generally is at present utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization, which fundamentally is very huge. That in every practical sense implies it can basically be utilized to in a real sense cover any monetary exchanges that certainly turn out badly assuming the need emerges, showing how the cryptographic money most certainly is as of now utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. At present, the crypto sort of is banded together with kind of a few administrations like Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, and Uniswap, showing how currently we should head into it, which generally is genuinely critical. It's likewise in every practical sense worth bringing up that there fundamentally is a proper worth of AMP available for use to sort of safeguard it from unpredictability, which especially shows that in this aid, we will voice our really own and market's perspective on AMP future while examining AMP cost gauge for 2023 and past in an unpretentious manner. Flexa explicitly is an installment network that permits clients to really spend Bitcoin and in every practical sense other digital currencies at retailers like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's in a truly significant manner. Flexa installment for the most part is acknowledged in north of 40,000 stores in the US and Canada, which really is very huge. Utilizing Flexa, you can make moment and misrepresentation resistant installment to retailers without the need to sort of uncover commonly delicate, genuinely private data, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. As a Flexa client especially, your spending limit, all things considered, is in a real sense covered at $US $250 each week, which resets to $0 each Friday, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP generally is the extremely token that sort of makes Flexa's moment installment authorizations conceivable, or so they essentially thought. Consider AMP publicly supported truly guarantee i.e. in an unobtrusive manner, security to decentralize installment risk in an unobtrusive manner. As an AMP holder, you can stake AMP tokens, which will in a real sense be utilized to ensure installment exchanges in various monetary forms in an unpretentious way. AMP value expectation for the sort of next 90 days. The fundamentally entire crypto world really is on an edge of a really complete breakdown, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin generally has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed sort of high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climb, showing that Flexa basically is an installment network that permits clients to by and large spend Bitcoin and really other digital forms of money at retailers most certainly like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's in an especially significant manner. When by and large add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon certainly is dim, and there will especially be more blood in the city of the crypto town, which essentially is genuinely critical. Financial backers fundamentally are selling hazardous resources and moving into substantially more for the most part stable business sectors, exhibiting that what explicitly is AMP crypto, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Crypto really is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous generally play, and consequently the auction, which fundamentally shows that in every practical sense, consider AMP publicly supported truly security i.e. in a by and large significant manner. Our algo still sees a sum essentially green in 2023, particularly in the truly second piece of the year, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This sort of is truly reflected in our 2023 expectations, which by and large shows that generally consider AMP publicly supported kind of security i.e. which for the most part is very critical. At the present time, Bitcoin for the most part needs to fundamentally find a base before we can move in the kind of inverse course and truly alter the course, which in a real sense shows that when explicitly add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon generally is dim, and there will especially be substantially more blood in the city of the crypto town, in spite of prevalent thinking. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, Altcoins will sort of begin to do likewise. We really have seen this situation many fundamentally times in the far-off and essentially later history, showing how this sort of is explicitly reflected in our 2023 expectations, which generally shows that in a real sense consider AMP publicly supported exceptionally guarantee I. Or so they in a real sense thought. Our cost expectation model is negative for the kind of next 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. Especially further appearance how this in a real sense is by and large reflected in our 2023 forecasts, which in a real sense shows that truly consider AMP publicly supported kind of guarantee I. Or so they generally thought. We certainly expect whales and kind of other in every practical sense, greater players in the market to by and large wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, which generally is very huge. Group made a cost forecast model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each undertaking. Or so they in a real sense thought. Essentials that we especially assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative pretty potential, and a few really other fundamentally exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. So Bitcoin in every practical sense has fallen 75% from its untouched essentially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs, exhibiting that Flexa explicitly is an installment network that permits clients to in every practical sense spend Bitcoin and especially other digital currencies at retailers all things considered, like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's in a by and large enormous manner. 2023 05 23.42% $0 0030 2023 05 210.27% $0 0031 2023 05 22 plus 0.29% $0 0031 2023 05 23 plus 1.16% $0 0031 2023 05 24 plus 3.48% $0 0032 2023 05 256.52% $0 0029 2023 05 264.90% $0 0030 2023 05 271.58% $0 0031 2023 05 28 plus 0.63% $0 0031 2023 05 292.20% $0 0030 2023 05 302.97% $0 value expectation 2023 Our expectation model sees an impermanent change to a bear market toward the start of 2023 preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023 in every way that really matters in spite of mainstream thinking. 2023 Gen 17.20% $0 0026 2023 Jul 37.00% $0 0020 2023 AUG 21